Oh boy, la 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 la, I got six, la 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 la, la 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 la, yeah. I was gonna clean my room, but then I got high. I was gonna get up.
What's up, guys? Joey Kong 94 today, and today we'll be reviewing Cracker Barrel's fried chicken. So let's get right into it because I just got here from Grubhub, so I'm excited to eat. I apologize in advance if the lighting gets messed up at all. The ring light that I have is from Walmart is messing up, so I'm literally gonna order a ring light after this video. I don't care. I just got to stop being cheap because the videos are important. I want to make good videos, and I don't want the lighting to be bad. So yeah, let's get into it though. Here's the receipt. It came to, I don't know, $30-something after the tip, whatever the hell it cost, because I got this, y'all. I don't know what this is here. This might be my fries. Oh, these are biscuits. Oh, Joel, I got biscuits. Oh, I forgot I'm making a video for a second, guys. Hold on. Alright, guys, so here's one of the pieces of the fried chicken. It looks really good. Here is a steak fry. Here is a biscuit. Minus a bite, but it's a fluffy biscuit. And then we also got over here some mac and cheese. Alright, let's eat. Alright, guys, let's grub. So, let's start off first with that biscuit. Yep. That biscuit's hitting with the Mountain Dew Sody. Alright, so let me hit a couple more fries. Fries are good. They definitely need salt and pepper. Definitely need salt, though, big time. Here's a close-up of the mac and cheese again. Oh. Damn. That right there should tell you what I think for the mac and cheese. Alright, time for the chicken. I gotta take a thumbnail. Hold on, guys. Alright, guys, so we're right back. I guess I had to take the thumbnail. But yeah, guys, this Cracker Barrel is hitting right now, big time. Now I'm extremely hungry. All I ate today was a little cup of popcorn. So typically, most days when I work, I don't eat at work. So I'm just not hungry. Right? I'll get food. That's why you don't see a lot of reviews during work hours, because I'll go and I'll do the review and I'll do like 2 bites, and then I'll just not want it and I'll throw it out and I waste the fucking time and money. So I don't usually eat at work. So when I come home, I get really, really hungry. You know what I mean? But yeah, guys, I'm gonna save this breast. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna tear up the breast and I'm gonna save the leg on the thigh for later. Dank. Fuck, this is dank. Anyways, what I'm saying though is that I'm gonna save part for later, right? Because I had this last time I had this, right? It was really good, warm, but I saved a couple pieces and ate them later cold, and it was the next level. It was so good cold. Traditionally, a lot of times fried chicken is ate at room temperature and or cold. In the South, I guess, according to Alton Brown. So who knows, but yeah, guys. The fried chicken from Cracker Barrel, it's pretty damn good. Like, I'm tearing it up right now. It's juicy. Right, the chicken itself, you can see, hopefully. Yeah, you can see it glistening. It's moist. The chicken itself has good flavor. The breading is good. It could be a little crispier, but like I said, when you eat this cold, I think it kind of crisps up a little bit, if I remember right. I haven't had fried chicken in a while. But it's dank. This is really good. Alright. Let's get out of here, guys. Alright. For the biscuits. Let's see, the biscuit. $6. Fries. $7. The mac and cheese. $8. The fried chicken. $9. It's really good. Definitely check out Cracker Barrel. And tell me what you guys think. So that's gonna be it today, guys. Just a little impromptu video. I grubbed up this, so I figured, hey, why not make a video of it? So I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Smack the like button, whatever the people say now. Smack that like button. You know, it really does help me to see that the likes, you guys like the video. I know you're interacting. I know a lot of you, Jason. Shout out Jason. I remembered your name. Shout out Marcos. Shout out Diana, Cassie, Ibrahim, Lias. All my work people, Bree, all my homies from work. But yeah. Matt, I believe, is your boyfriend's name, Diana? I think that's his name. You're dope too. And whatever, Diana's your friends that you guys watch. So if you guys comment below, that helps me a lot too. So just comment something. The message for this deal, or this, I'm looking at my poster over here. The message, for this video, the secret bonus message, if you comment at the end, I know you watched till the end, is it has the juice. So comment, it has the juice if you watch the full video and you're extra dope and want extra dope bonus points. Not that it gets you anything, but do it anyways. Alright, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a big thumbs up. Comment below. Hit the bell notification. Subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Joey Kong 94 out.